I am sat down at 11 o'clock in the morning. I've already done all I want to do today. I'm not obliged to do anything except breathing, and so I reach for the Tanqueray. I'm gonna drink a bottle of gin. I'm gonna drink it straight from the bottle. I'm gonna take that gin and put it in my body, 'cause when I drink gin, I win. I'm gonna sit right down and tell my cats a story about how I packed one day and set sail. I'm gonna spread the word I got hit by a lorry, 'cause if they can't make me try, I can't fail. I'm gonna drink a bottle of gin. I'm gonna drink it straight from the bottle. I'm gonna do that, and they can't stop me, 'cause when I drink gin, I win. I think today I will do nothing. The sun and I will sit here breathing. I'm gonna do that thing, and they can't stop me, 'cause when I drink gin, I win.